In this video, we will show you how to fix a Samsung Galaxy A53 that won't turn on or respond. When a smartphone like the A53 stops responding and won't turn on, it's often due to a minor firmware issue, provided that it doesn't have any signs of physical or liquid damage. In fact, there are only a couple of things you need to do. The first one is the force restart. It's a simulated battery removal that forces the device to respond. Here's how it's done. Press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 8 seconds or more. This will trigger your device to boot up. So when the Samsung logo shows, release both keys and allow your phone to continue the boot process. As long as you can make the logo show, that's a sign that the problem is already fixed. However, if it's still not responding, then what you need to do next is to charge the device and do the force restart. It's possible that it's just due to a drained battery, so here's what you should do. Plug the power adapter to a working wall outlet and connect your phone to it using the original charging cable. Regardless of whether the phone shows the charging sign or not, leave it connected to the charger for at least 10 minutes. After that, press and hold the volume down button and the power key together for 10 seconds or more while the device is still connected to the charger. If the logo shows, release both keys and allow the phone to continue the boot process. Most of the time, it would be enough to make the phone work perfectly again. However, if it's still not responding after that, then it's time you have it checked. We hope this guide can help you. Please subscribe to our channel to support us. Thanks for watching.